Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the printer and host. Power the Sunmi unit and make sure its battery is charged or plug it in. This avoids interruptions during pairing. On your phone or tablet, turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi because the next steps depend on the connection type. Once done, open the Sunmi settings menu to enable discoverable mode. This makes the printer visible to the host. Make sure your host device is nearby and not connected to competing accessories that could block pairing. Now you pair and configure the connection. If using Bluetooth, scan from the host and pick the Sunmi device name. Accept the pair prompt and enter a PIN if requested. If using Wi-Fi, access the printer's network setup, join your SSID and enter the password, then note the assigned IP address for later. Once connected, install or open the Sunmi driver or POS app on the host, add a new printer using the detected Bluetooth device or the printer IP, and verify the connection status displays as online. Finish by validating and handling problems if they appear. Send a test receipt from the app or print directly from the printer menu to confirm paper feed, thermal head alignment, and cutting. If nothing prints, make sure power and data cables are secure, Bluetooth is still discoverable, or the Wi-Fi IP matches the app settings. Restart both devices, repair or re-enter IP, and update firmware. If a persistent error code shows, note it and contact Sunmi support with the model and error details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.